Welcome back to another episode of my RTS series. I had to rework all the networking code. It wasn't fun. I'll show you. It was kind of a pain that, I had to make a new one because the old one I couldn't connect to an IP, therefore I couldn't make a private server, therefore, I couldn't do matchmaking. All that sort of stuff. It's been solved. Welcome to Malapi! Soldiers and beans aren't the same thing. I learned that the hard way. Let's just say I have to rig them now. But I encountered the coolest glitch ever. Seen above.